Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide page title using CSS in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see page title. So right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open, and when we hover on class, then you see highlighted section on website. So now this class highlights the whole section of page title bar in WordPress. Now you see, and then on right side you see class fusion page title bar. Now right here display none. Now you see page title bar hide using CSS. Now copy this class and now go to customize section in additional CSS and now paste and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see page title bar hide using CSS. So just right click on page title bar and then click on inspect element and then find CSS class which highlighted the whole section, and then on right side you see class and then add display none. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.